One more. Okay, we did a bunch of takes, but basically I did her makeup, as you could see. So if you want this gorgeous look, please keep watching. Can I tell them what it's for?
It's a secret.
Okay, so it's for some sort of audition for a specific show that we cannot say what one it is, but
Wish me luck.
we'll find out. Yeah.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 It's alright, so.
Oh my god, S, do you like the makeup?
I love it. I'm obsessed.
I think this is our favorite look we've done on her.
Yeah.